just a little boy when I first saw this land. There's the Aloha Tower, flower lace a Hawaiian band, hula girls in long grass skirts were dancing on the dock. Boys dove for money down the gangplank I walk, and I miss Hawaii of long ago, when life was gentle. Oh, I loved it so. Long before the high-rise came, I lived at Waikiki, walking barefoot in the sand, carefully as can be. My friends were good to me, didn't matter brown or white. Aloha, not just a word, but a way of life. And I miss Hawaii long ago, when life was gentle. Oh, I loved it so. Calling me to experience her joy. I learned to swim and surf, became a real beach boy. And it's hard to see the change that has transformed this land. Progress at any cost, concrete made from sand. I miss Hawaii of long ago, when life was gentle.